Hi everyone, just like to give you a quick overview of SEO Commander version 2. Now in this video I'm going to explain features which are in the standard version, which is these here, and also the ones which are in the Pro upgrade, which are these here. So in the Pro you get all of them, in the standard you just get keyword suggestion, rank tracker and social tracker. Now what we've done, the main point of this video is to show you a quick overview of the tool, and what we've done in the tool itself is, if you need more information, say writing lengthy manuals and long videos, people get bored of that, we've put the information in the tool for you, so you can hover your mouse over any of the buttons for a second or two and you will see exactly what it does. We've done that on all the tabs, so if you're not sure what something does, just hover over it and you'll know. So, quick overview of keyword suggestion. First of all, we've got 15 top authority sites, things like Amazon, eBay, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, shopping.com and Etsy and much more. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this tool to generate us a list of top keywords from these authority sites. Now what we mean by top keywords is, if you go to these authority sites, these are the keywords that are most people are looking for and using. They're some of the most popular keywords on them sites. So it takes out the research of wondering what's good and what's not, what people are looking for, what's selling. It takes all that away from you. So let's give you a quick demo on how easy and quick it is. So let's type in your initial keyword. You can either put one keyword or you could put a list of 20,000 in there if you wanted. We've tested it with some huge numbers and it works really well. Remember, the longer the list, the longer the time. You can make it a little bit quicker depending on the speed of your CPU, computer and stuff, by going to settings. And then in settings you'll be able to see threads. You can enter more threads to make it do things a little bit quicker. So let's just show you this. So that's your settings menu. If you've got the Pro, you've got the option to put the SEMRush API key in there. You can see we've got the scraping thread set to 35 at the moment. In the Pro we've also got, in the standard and Pro we've got rank tracker. So you can, if you set this up, get it to email you your ranks every day. Scheduled. You click that, set your time, set your options, how often you want it, click Launch SEO Commander on Startup, off you go. If you want it to email you the reports, you click that, you type in your email, put your email settings in there, and that's that. If you don't know these settings, you'd get these off whoever provides you with the email account. Okay, you can also use proxies for your keyword scraping and proxies for your rank tracking, so your proxies can go in there. Okay, so that's the settings, easy. Right, so we've got garden shed. We're going to look for them on Amazon.com and eBay.com. So we do that, we hit start, and that's it. It's as quick as that. It's done. You got status messages down here. So we've got 14 keywords back from that one. Now these are the 14 keywords that are quite popular on eBay and Amazon. So okay, that there will save you time in research just on its own. So you got your keywords. What you do with them keywords then is obviously up to you, whether you put them on your site, whether you research them more, whether you even want to send them back to the initial keywords, which will put them to there. And then if you pressed start again, it would give you a lot more keywords. It would give you the related keywords or suggested keywords for all these keywords, so your list gets bigger. Like I said, we've tested it with up to 20,000 source keywords. I'm sure it'd do more. It works with no problems. You've also got options like, let's say you wanted to find out how related garden shed plans was. Then you could click that. You could put check Google Trends. Okay, so that'll open then Google Trends. It'll give you the related queries to garden shed plans and how related they are. And it'll also give you the countries. and the percentage. So as you can see, you can, if you wanted to do another search, you could do another search. So as you can see, there you go. So that's just the information that we can get from Google Trends there. You've got other little things that you can do. You can save your keyword list. You can filter your keywords. So you can do things like remove words containing, so it might contain the word shop or something like that. You can remove keywords containing special characters if they've got any special characters in the lists. You can remove things, keywords containing TLDs. That means top level domains like .com, .net, .org, things like that. Keywords have got more than so many words, keywords have got less than so many words. So you've got quite a few options to tailor your lists down really nicely. Okay, you can remove duplicates and then you can clear your keywords as well. That's that. Then you've got the rank tracker. The rank tracker, we'll hit check all domains, just some that I put in before. As you can see, it'll check the rank in Google, Yahoo and Bing, and it can generate a graph as well, depending. There you go, it's finished, so it's really easy. Obviously the more you use it, you'll get the different dates, and you can also have your graph as well. Oops. So you can, if you was running it before, then you'd see the rankings for them days and how they're going. So you can click on the keywords and then load your chart, 7 days or 30 days. And we've got tooltips on all of these so you can see what they do. Okay, so it's quite self-explanatory really, your rank tracker. And like I said, you can schedule your rank tracker to run at times specific set by you in the settings. Okay, the next thing we've got is social tracker. Now, social tracker is going to tell you things about your site, what sort of statuses they've got, like the stats, Facebook shares, Facebook likes, Twitter, StumbleUpon, Google+, Pinterest and LinkedIn. And again, it's just very, very, very easy. You can hit check all, and that's it. It'll go and do its thing. It'll go and get you all the information from all these sites, so you know how popular the site is. So you can see what it's doing socially. That's quite handy information in SEO these days. Next we've got SERPs Insight. Now this is quite special. There's not many, or there's not any desktop tools that I've seen this sort of thing in. And what this does, it analyzes the search engine rankings for certain terms, and it sees how much that they're jumping about. When sites are jumping about in the search engines, you can virtually guarantee that something's going on. Maybe Google's doing an algorithm change, you know, or something like that. And it's really, usually we find, you know, you may find different, but we find we don't like launching sites when Google are doing their shake-ups. So what we do is we built a tool to test this. You just come on this page, really easy to use, hit refresh, and then what it'll do is it'll give you the refresh for today. So 62% changes at the moment. That's pretty low. As you can see from this, the days that things were going on was around the 24th of April, around the 3rd of May, and around the 11th of May. So that's a handy tool in itself. Next you've got Site Spy. Site Spy does a lot. Site Spy will bring you back the Alexa rank, it'll test the ping to your website, it'll reverse the IP for a domain so you get the IP back, it'll show you DNS records, page ranks, it'll show you the page rank until it's phased out, HTTP headers for the site, the who is, how fast the website speed test is, and the website status. And once you put your domain in there, all this information will come back here. Okay, so next, we've got Keyword Spy. Keyword Spy, what you can do with Keyword Spy is you add a site. After you've added the site, you hit Scrape Keywords, and what that will do is it will go and pull all the keywords off that page on that site. That can be, I'll leave that to your own imagination for the use of that, what good it could do. Next, you've got an exact matching domain checker. Some people in SEO like this, some don't. I'm going to leave it to your discretion. But if you want to use it, we've got an EMD checker, which is really easy to use. Keywords, hit start, or you can import them from a file. And that's going to put out your information at the bottom there. Next we have SEMRush API. So for $15 you can get the SEMRush API key. As you know, SEMRush is an expensive monthly package normally. It's an excellent platform, SEMRush. Well, we're taking some critical data from SEMRush API and using it in this tool so you've got stable results. Everybody can use free APIs and they can use, you know, they can scrape the data and stuff, but at the end of the day, if you want non-biased, reliable data, then it's not free. You have to pay for that data usually. So that's what we've done. Save using free APIs and stuff like that. We wanted a reliable tool. We use this tool ourselves. We wanted a reliable tool and reliable data, and SEMRush is the place for that, we thought. So we've added that in. Okay, it is a monthly fee for $15, but it's well worth it. And if you go and check the price of SEMRush itself, you'll see that's highly discounted to what they charge for a monthly subscription. Okay, so then we've got keyword research. Keyword research, let's go and type our garden shed again. And then we're going to put in garden table, garden heater, and then we will hit run research. Now that will go off to SEMRush, and it's come back nothing found for one of the keywords. That'll come back for SEMRush, and here it's giving you the data for what for these search terms here, and it'll give you the monthly searches, and it'll also give you the number of results. So that's really, really handy. So you can really see what people are looking for there as well. That's using SEMRush data. So it's very reliable, not like your free ones, which you'll be lucky if the data, you know, if the data is verified or not. At least we know with SEMRush it's a credible source. Okay, so what we'll do is if you bought the standard and then let's say you wanted to upgrade to the Pro, then you can use the link provided, like I said, in the email provided to you when you bought SEM Commander version 2. Or if not, contact us in client-area.biz. Once you've done so, all you have to do is go to settings. Go to info and then go to reset license. Once you reset the license, the next time you run it, it will give you a chance to put your Pro key in, and then you'll be able to upgrade to the Pro. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at the support desk at www.client-area.biz. Register and make an account, and one of our support guys will be happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.